Hi everyone, in this video we'll create a Revit Toposolid from a 3D AutoCAD file. First I'll import my CAD by going to Insert. I'll say Import CAD and choose the DWG file from the folder that I saved. Before hitting OK, I'll ensure that all of my settings are as I want them to be. I'll hit Open. From here, I go to the Massing and Site tab, and from the Toposolid drop-down, I'll say Create from Import. I'll click the Create from CAD button and choose the AutoCAD file. I have a list of the layers available from the AutoCAD file. The only one that I want is contours. I'll say OK. If I get a warning, that's good information to have, but it's not necessarily important right now, so I'll just close the dialog box. Because I don't want to inadvertently move this Toposolid, I'll type PN for pin. That's also available on the ribbon from the Modify tab as a push pin icon. Now I'd like to draw my property lines. So still on the Massing and Site tab, I'll go to Property Lines, and I'll create by sketching. I find it easiest to use this Pick Line tool and experiment with a line rectangle. See which one you like. Once I have the shape of the property lines that's in the AutoCAD file transferred to Revit, I can hit the green check mark. I find it helpful to clean up the view just a bit. So I will right-click on one of these reference planes and say Hide in View. Keep your eye on the horizontal one also. They both disappear because they're both from the same category in Revit. I'd also like to not see the AutoCAD file anymore as I continue to create the Revit elements. I'll select it and hit the Delete button on my keyboard. A nice thing to do now would be to see what this might look like in 3D. I'll go to the Quick Access toolbar and press the small house to see that I have a 3D Revit Toposolid. So as a reminder, in this video we went over creating a Revit Toposolid out of a 3D AutoCAD file. We also used the Pin tool as well as the Draw panel when we created those property lines. I hope this helps.